welcome back to Juice Moose. Today we have a video on how to fix a stripped axle bolt, so check it out. This is a Fox 40, beautiful Fox 40, and unfortunately this is the original Allen key. Now if I put it in here, totally stripped. So what I'm going to do first of all is get this bad boy drill. What I'm going to do is drill it out to roughly the next size Allen key bolt. So let's go. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and use this Allen key and just hammer it straight into this. Which is, it's going in. You see there? Have a look. See? Starting to munt up a bit better. So that hopefully will be the answer. That'll hopefully work. And then we won't have to buy another one because just got a little chisel here, which I'm just going to use to smack out these little metal bits a bit quicker. Oh, files, sorry, not chisel. So I'm going to use this screwdriver, just try and chisel these bits out a bit. Hey, and that is how you get out a bolt. Woohoo! There you go, it's out. So all I use was a drill to drill a hole a bit bigger, get the next size Allen key, which is this one here, kind of shape it, so bang in, I banged it in a bit, got a bit of a shape, chiseled it out with a screwdriver, and Bob's your uncle. Okay, now that I've got it out, I want to make sure it stays out. I mean, it functions, so I'm just going to continue to hammer it until it's beautiful all the way through. Done. Moment of truth. Stick that bad boy in. Look at that, beautiful. Better than new. If you like this video, like, subscribe for more videos like this and lots of riding videos in Sydney. Alright, take care for the next video.